came to check on the bunnies because, you know, they're getting a little bit out of control. And hang on, let me show you what they've done. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over there. She's trying to nurse over there. There's 5. And then I've got these 4 that are still in the nest. So, anyway. Hey, escapees. What do you think? Are you over there eating something? What you eating? Huh? What you eating? Anyway, I'm thinking that they have to, like, totally, you know, flown the coop, kind of say. But I was just kind of curious if any one of you guys are curious as to what sex or what. I mean, I kind of am. So anyway, so since I'm backwards, so if I go this way, it's a girl. If it go this way, it's a boy, okay? Just gonna say. Okay? We're gonna set this up. Hang on. For the record, I'm gonna have to go back and find out which one's a girl and which one's a boy. I mean, I could be like completely wrong on this because, you know, things might not be showing. Who knows? You know, it's the first time I've ever done this. Just gonna tell you that. Of course, I didn't know that they were gonna be so wild, really. Okay, so here's bunny number 1. You were asking about the eyes. This is a little girl. This is a wigglewort. Okay. Bunny number 2. You gotta see what you are, babe. I think that's a girl. Okay, hang on. I think this is the boy. Guess this is the wiggly one. Okay. Uh-huh, boy. Number 4. Whoop. Okay. Boy. That way. Number 5. Whoop. Hey, wigglewort. Girl. Okay, we're gonna go into the nest now. Number 6. Girl. Oh, hey, stay in there, man. 7. Girl. 8. I think it's a girl. Last but not least, number 9. Oh. Okay, calm down. Girl.